Now they're stopped.
I'll do it. Give me a piece of bread.
They're flying all over.
You better video it though, because you're not
It's
gonna
on
get
video already, but he's already gone. Cool. They're gonna run into each other. I want to see a collision. Look at him, he's just sitting in the water, that one. They're so cool. Oh, you got a piece of bread in your hand? That's going to be funny. I don't think he's coming. Just throw it in the water. David, you don't call them like a dog. They're coming to the bread, not the... They're so pretty. I saw a pink seagull one time. They're really rare.